Hello, Southern Tennessee Mom here. I hope you're having a great evening. Today we're going to make doggy ice cream. Yes, you heard me right. Doggy ice cream. If you buy it in the stores in the freezer section, it is really expensive. So I'm going to make peanut butter, and I don't have a food processor or a blender, but I've got this little mini chopper, and I've already made a little bit and just make sure it would make it. I just got some salted, dry roasted peanuts. Now you want to make sure you cover your blades, even in the food processor. You want enough in there to cover up the blades. Now I'm gonna pause it so you don't have to hear this go off, but I'll show you the results when I'm done. Now here is some of the stages that you're going to see even in a food processor. You'll see it start to, crumble up. Now the only difference probably I've got the problem of, since I don't have a food processor, is I've got this pan here. I have to kind of empty. You can already see it's softening up. And so I'm going to have to put in this and get everything out of the sides. This is why I said it takes a little bit longer in this one, but it does work, so. And then when I want to make sure I cover up the blades again. You can see it's already starting to make peanut butter. There we go. Here is peanut butter. I need a half a cup for this recipe. I think I may have it with what I've done up earlier. Let's see. Now, if I had a food processor, it would be a lot creamier, but I don't. But that is peanut butter, and I've already tried it on the dogs, and they love it. Let me see. Okay, with what I had earlier, and this time that is half a cup. So then we're going to take get this out of the way. I'm going to take and put this in a pan. And I'm going to put it on the stove and let it warm up. So a little bit creamier and easier to work with. Okay, while that peanut butter is warming up, I've got a bowl here. And I have a banana. I'm going to take and just mash it up. You know what? I got to eat either way. I got the cheater's way here. Okay, so we got our banana. It's okay. That worked out pretty good in that mean chopper. I'm just going to make sure there's no big chunks in it. I'm going to mash it up. Now, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of honey. This is all natural honey. Okay, so we have 1 cup of plain yogurt here. And we have a 1/2 cup of peanut butter that we have heated up. This makes it a little softer. Now we're going to stir it all up. Mix it up really well. After it's mixed up good, this is what it's going to look like. I've got these fresh reusable containers here. There's 5 in there. I got them at the Dollar Tree. Now you want something that is freezer safe. I know these are. I'm going to pour some in these bowls. And 1 more bowl. We have 4 dogs. Not 4 dogs. Lord, I'm crazy. 3 dogs, and that is plenty. Put the lids on these. Make sure they're sealed tight. We'll put these in the oven, not oven, I am crazy. I'm going to put these in the freezer and let them freeze for about 6 hours. Now, you can leave them all night. It's not going to matter. It's going to be ice cream when it's done. So, I'll see you back in about 6 hours. Okay, here is the doggy ice cream. Actually left it overnight, and you can see it's hard as a rock. So we're going to test it out on my doggies. Well, I think it is a success. They are lapping it up. Have a blessed evening. And please like and share the video. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. It really helps my channel to grow. Well, have a good evening, and we'll see you next time. God bless you. Here's my third doggy going crazy over it.